wanna play my DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another mad reaction. You don't know what time it is. Yo gang, you see what we're there with big rubber like Bob, Mr. Pantan himself. You see me I say, you don't know who we are dealing with today, no man. We're there with Najeeriii. We're back with another banger. This one is entitled ROCKABYE. We're gonna check it out and see what he doing. You know what I'm saying? We're back with the one Senegal boss. You see me? I'm gonna see the dog. I will see what the dog kicking with. You know what I'm saying? And you don't know what's good, YouTube gang. How y'all been, man? Y'all been taking care of yourself? Man, I hope y'all good. You know what I'm saying? I hope all the craziness in life, you know, you're able to maintain and do nothing. As me, open out there. As me, taking step towards your goals, man. You know what I'm saying? Life is crazy, but you don't know, we gotta keep on moving. You know what I'm saying? Gotta make every day count. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, gang, I hope y'all good, man. Yeah, we're back with another one for Najeeriii, man, and we're gonna check it out and see what dog I do. We don't know. Yeah, we always check out the littest track, you know. If it's garbage, we're gonna let you know it's garbage, you know what I'm saying? But you don't know, yo, me not lie. Najeeriii been doing this thing, man. Have y'all seen my reaction to Najeerii's in front of the bars from KD Visuals? Let me know if you've seen that one, but it's really dope. He explains some of his lyrics to Panta and all that dope stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's a really dope video. Make sure y'all check that out. Let me know if y'all want to see AI Millie's behind the bars, in front of the bars, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna check out Najeeriii today's one. Today, this one entitled ROCKABYE. We're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. I don't know what time it is, man. Gang, you don't know your boy. Happy to be back in this thing, man, doing reactions, man. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying?
I see.
Dog out in the woods, what dog I deal with? What dog then gone paintballing? What is?
For that time them on my dog.
I see, you know.
Skull can ball to your man father. Never lie. A lie? You ever lie? Bah. After them.
Easy though, I like the sound of this one, you know what I'm saying? Man, Glock, how come on.
His skull can't ball to me, so I rock a bitch pie. The property's mine from me that a thin line. And no sack of this, every skull a chop as it slide. As you jag a mill, many sort of swallow this pipe. Despite every style from poverty's time mill. Rise lift five from
the skull can't ball to me, so I rock a bitch by. You get what I'm saying? The ROCKABYE, as in, you know, the hush baby. You know what I'm saying? So the skull can't ball to me, so I rush. Yeah, alright, come on.
another rich client still. Try flip lies and about ya will find clip. Pile with pines and I get a chip like it's a flow symphony. We trick client in a code bin hacking. Pour him pocket and stole him assets. First chop light but the fourth did solid. Someone left a whole gal a cry. They tell her ROCKABYE.
She left a whole gal a cry. Me tell her ROCKABYE. You see what I say? Yeah, I see the formula. I see the, you see me I say, I see the idea, what you would say, the concept, you know what I'm saying?
My brother Kyle and left your paranoid and antagonized. He got paralyzed once that cash a ride from back. Grab a giant bank like homicide. Alone stacks and shots and ROCKABYE. If one got hot tax from
Bob Glock homicide, stacks and Glocks and Shatterby.
chop a tie. And if you contact cops, thanks to a guide. Make mommy back, got fat, that's paradise. The incomes increase.
What if you contact cops, you make John guide? You see me I say, hey, man said work.
Fuck with lease, press it fuck discreet. The bitch herself fuck and she fuck sit free. Send it be mad them roll and ready talk. She please press it chip on it.
Man said the bitch herself fuck and then she fuck sit free. Hey, that's crazy. That's a chop.
Call and send it hunting cheese. So caught na the chop. Cause money granny and charge. Let the cops pop. Nah stop it robbery and can't stop it chop. Mad dog stop it mockery. Mad dog stop it chopping ya. I'm busy flipping money fast and it's spatula. Enough bricks father. My mom's got
dog stop it capping ya. I'm busy flipping money faster than the spatula. Come in my
the cash in up. Top ball out far from the magic squad. Glocks got can out dark over lane. Chop got warm for start hockey chopping at. Mom says she want pop it Mali capsule. But the African could make a baggy drop. Someone left a whole gal a cry. They tell her ROCKABYE. My brother Kyle and
hello, man. The man flow. This shit bad. Bob did his thing, man. Me tell her, oh, ROCKABYE. Let's go like right. Easy now, man.
Paranoid and antagonized. He was paralyzed once that just arrived from back. Baba type and Glock homicide. Alone stocks and shots and Glockabye. If what got hot, that's from Chopper Dial. And if you contact cops, thanks to a guide. Make mommy bank that's full can paradise. So I rock a witch pie.
Easy now, man. Hey, this is he flowing on this one. He chopping. Yeah, man. But I feel like Bob is a blood clean one in front. I feel like Najeeriii is a one in front. Nah, that game playing, man. Come on.
The properties mine from your that in line. I know sucker this. Every scholar chopper this slide. As a drag mill. Minnesota swallow this pipe. Despite every style from poverty's time. Guys live five from another rich client skill. Try flip lies and I will find clip. Pile with pint. This a like a chip. Like it's a floating panic.
Easy now, man. This a hey, what? This a like a chip. Like it's a floating panic. You know what I'm saying? Easy now.
Richie,
I could have done a bumbo clock time, them a lie.
Yeah, man. Najeeriii, big up your damn self, my G. Dog doing his thing out here, bro. Yeah, man. Can't say Najeeriii is a one wonder. You see me, he might go flop out on him thing there. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Boss, I do him thing, man. You see me, young youth in a game. You see me, I say, it's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. You see me, let me know what you think about that one, gang. You see me, if you like it, you don't know what to do, go show the artists all over and support. Make you know say Jambisco and send you. You see me, make you know say Dan Mafia. Strong over here. You see me, I say. Yeah, man, gang. And also, you don't know what time it is. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get that done as well. You see me, I say, make sure you join the Discord. Link is also in the description, gang. You see me, I say, we lit over there. You can talk to me directly, send me requests, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Even video concepts, get notification when you go live, preview, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Shout out to Najeeriii. Shout out to Big Grabber like Bob himself, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Senegal boss, man. Young youth in a game, I do him thing, man. It's a dope look. You know what I'm saying? It's a good look, man. For real. And the concepts he coming up with his songs and the beats that he's going on. You know what I'm saying? Very versatile. And he keep his original like flow and style, like, you know, it sounds like him, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, the dog do a good job. You see me, I say. So yeah, man, Najeeriii, keep it up, dog. Keep shooting for the stars. Just try and keep going, getting better and better. You're young in the game, you know what I'm saying? You have enough time to go, you know what I'm saying? So enough skills and style you will pick up along the way. Just you know, use your best of your ability, dog, and just, you know what I'm saying? Just try to grow your craft and get better and better with time. You see me, I say, like how the man, the Drake and Cartel and them, man, you see me, the music, you see me, Drake, J. Cole, you see me, Cartel, Movado, you know what I'm saying, and I say, get better Tamil, you see the man, you know, you see the man, popcorn, the man, like, sound better with time, and you see me, yeah, man, and age with the music, and also, you know, but stay current and relevant, man, you can reach far in that game, yeah, so, they do it till 10, 20 years later. You see me, they still doing it. You know what I'm saying? In a film style. You know what I'm saying? They say Carter just get outside a decade and everything there. You know what I'm saying? You want to be able to say 10 years later, you're still relevant and everything there. You see me in our music. You see me, I say, and even beyond. But anyway, the gang, let me know what you think about that one, man. If you like, go show the artists all over and support me. You know, say Jambisco and send them. You know, say we lit over here. You know what I'm saying? I just drop my phone and shit. You know, say we lit over here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm strong over the Dan Mafia army, strong over here. Also, gang, make sure you go ahead and try join the Discord, all that good stuff. You don't know, you know what I'm saying? Drop an emoji, just drop up, let's talk about it. Send your requests, all that good stuff. Let me see in the comments, man. Let's get lit, gang. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here now. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you, gang. I'm out.